In this video we are going to see Belimo NFA-S2 Spring Return Actuator technical datas only. In our previous video we upload Belimo GM 24V SR modulating damper actuator working principle and technical datas, link in description. If you are watching our videos first time, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. This will help us to make more videos, and don't forget to click the bell icon button. You will never miss our latest videos. Welcome to Controls and Systems YouTube channel. Overview: Spring Return Actuator with emergency control function for adjusting dampers in technical building installations. Control open close with two integrated auxiliary switches. Adjustable angle of rotation with mechanical end stops. The actuator is overload protected, requires no limit switches and automatically stops when the end stop is reached. Simple direct mounting on the damper spindle with an universal spindle clamp, supplied with an anti-rotation device to prevent the actuator from rotating. The actuator moves the damper to the operating position at the same time as tensioning the return spring. The damper is turned back to the emergency position by spring force when the supply voltage is interrupted. Technical specification: Electrical data. The actuator is equipped with a universal voltage feed module that can utilize supply voltages as AC 24 to 240 volt or DC 24 to 125 volt. Nominal voltage frequency is 50 or 60 Hz. Nominal voltage range is AC 19.2 to 264 volt or DC 21.6 volt. Power consumption in operation is 6 watt. Power consumption in rest position is 2.5 watt. Power consumption for wire sizing is 9.5 VA. Auxiliary switch is 2 SPDT, one is 10% and another one is 11 to 90%. Switching capacity: auxiliary switch is 1 to 3 mA, 0.5 inductive amps, AC 250 volt. Connection supply and control of cable is 1 meter, 2 into 0.75 mm Ra². Connection auxiliary switch of cable is 1 meter, 6 into 0.75 mm Ra². Parallel operation is available. Note the performance data. Cable colors: 1 blue is neutral, 2 brown is line, S1 violet is NC, S2 red is common, S3 white is NO, S4 orange is NC, S5 pink is common, S6 gray is NO, S1, S2, S3 take 10%, S4, S5, S6 take 11 to 90%. Flexible signalization: the actuator has one auxiliary switch with a fixed setting and one adjustable auxiliary switch. They permit a 10% or 11 to 90% angle of rotation to be signaled. Auxiliary switch settings. Note: perform settings on the actuator only in the energized state. 1 is manual override, turn the hand crank until the desired switching position is set. 2 is spindle clamp. Edge line A displays the desired switching position of the actuator on the scale. 3 is fasten the locking device. Turn the locking switch to the locked padlock symbol. 4 is auxiliary switch. Turn rotary knob until the notch points to the arrow symbol. 5 is unlock the locking device. Turn the locking switch to the unlocked padlock symbol or unlock with the hand crank. 6 is cable. Connect continuity tester to S4 plus S5 or to S4 plus S6. 7 is manual override. Turn the hand crank until the desired switching position is set and check whether the continuity tester shows the switching point. Functional data: torque motor is minimum 10 Nm. Torque spring return is minimum 10 Nm. Direction of motion motor and emergency control function is selectable by mounting left or right. Manual override by means of hand crank and locking switch. Angle of rotation is maximum 95 degree. Angle of rotation node is adjustable starting at 33% and 2.5% steps, with mechanical end stop. Running time motor is 75 seconds at 90 degree. Running time emergency control position is less than 20 seconds at 90 degree. Running time emergency setting position node is less than 20 seconds at -20 to 58 degrees Celsius, and less than 60 seconds at 38 degrees Celsius. Sound power level motor is 45 decibels. A spindle driver is universal spindle clamp 1025.4 mm. Position indication is mechanical. Service life is minimum 60,000 emergency positions. General datas. Mode of operation is type 1.AA.B. Rated impulse voltage supply and control is 4 kV. Rated impulse voltage auxiliary switch is 2.5 kV. Control pollution degree is 3. Weight is 2.3 kilograms. The air damper size up to approximately 2 m². Belimo NFA-S2 actuator is maintenance-free device. Dimensions: height 236 mm, width 98 mm, depth 93 mm. Mechanical accessories: shaft extension, end stop indicator, spindle clamp, straight ball joint with M8, angled ball joint with M8, damper crank arm. Electrical accessories: feedback potentiometer, auxiliary switch. Safety datas: Protection Class IEC, N is 2 protective insulated. Protection Class UL is 2 protective insulated. Protection Class Auxiliary Switch IEC, EN is 2 protective insulated. Degree of protection IEC/EN is IP54. Degree of protection NEMA, UL is NEMA 2, UL enclosure type 2. EMC is CE according to 2014/30/EU. Environmental condition: ambient temperature is -30 to 58 degrees Celsius. Non-operating temperature is -40 to 88 degrees Celsius. Ambient humidity is 95% RH non-condensing. We hope this video is useful to you. Thank you for watching our videos. We will meet in another good video.